All right, folks, welcome back. We are back for week 2. Have some new stats and some new data to go over today. Appreciate you guys watching week 1. Wanted to kind of talk about some of those additional numbers that we had mentioned and kind of elaborate on a few of those. So, glad you're back. Glad to be back. Nate Gray with REI Nation and Premier Property Management. I was a little bit long-winded last time. I'm going to try to keep that shorter this time for you. So we will jump right in. I've got 3 topics to discuss today. A few that we've been asked about in the past. A few things that is a consistent topic of conversation with our customer service team, from our owners, from our investors. So I wanted to go over a few of those today with you guys, and we will continue to adapt and evolve as we do these weekly moving forward. Again, good feedback from you that this has helped. This has brought you information. This has showed kind of behind the scenes look on what we do, what we're looking at, the numbers, the score, the data, all the above. So let's jump right in and get started today. One of the main topics I wanted to discuss today was rent increases. And obviously this is a blaring topic that you as an owner and you as an investor are extremely interested in. So are we. This is something that we really started tracking highly this year. We've got reports upon reports, data just stacked on data. So I'm going to go through some of that with us today. We really dialed in on this year, 2021. Obviously last year, we couldn't have foreseen the boom in the market and the massive growth that it's seen, despite the pandemic and the year and all the challenges that it involved. So this year we really dived in. One thing that I am tracking with our team is the rental increase year over year. So what I've been looking at the past 2 or 3 years is our average amount of rent received on new leases that we have just gotten occupied. The house was vacant. We've now rented it. I'm taking that average rent and then I'm comparing it to year over year so I can get that increase. So we'll have that information for you. So across the board, we have seen from 2020 to 2021, the percentage change year over year has been 9.6% higher. So that's our average in all of our markets. We're looking at each one individually, and then we're getting that average across the board. Our highest market changes have been 11.5%, all the way to 4.9%. So again, across the board, 9.6% average increase year over year in our rentals from the year of 2020 to our rentals in the year of 2021. So something that we're keeping an eye on. We know that you want the highest rent possible. We want the highest rent possible. There's an alignment of interest there. The more you make, the more we make on the management side. But all in all, we're trying to keep up with the market trends. This is unprecedented. I'm sure you're tired of hearing that cheesy word, but it is, seeing what's happening in the market today, and we're going to continue to track that and make sure that we're getting as high of rents as possible for you. Now, the other side of that, we have to be conscious and careful that we're not trying to get too much rent and subsequently suffering having a property sit out there vacant for too long. So as you know, I know, we all know that if you hold out for an additional $50 or an additional $100, you sit there and hold it out for an additional full month trying to get that extra $50 or extra $100 or whatever it is. We're looking at $600 to $1,200 per year increase if you were to receive that. But if you have that house sit vacant for 1 month, you wipe out the entire profits by losing a full month's rent. So it's a game of tug and war, of course. We want high rents. We want days on market low. So that's our juggling act. That's what we as the management company do for you to make sure that we're watching those statistics for you to make sure that we're getting it rented as quickly as possible and for as much as possible. So bottom line, 9.6% increase across the board year over year from 2020 to 2021, and we're only 7 months in. So this could change again. We will continue tracking that and keep you updated if so. All right, next topic, our WOW group. So this is something that we want to talk about quite frequently. It's a great, fantastic climb up that ladder, joining the WOW group. The WOW group is any owner that has 5 or more properties with us. As of end of July, beginning of August, that number was currently sits at 410 owners that own 5 or more properties. A fantastic number. Congratulations to you. Out of that 410, our Platinum WOW, which is anybody with 10 or more properties, we've got 54 current owners that own 10 or more. Last month, for the month of July, we had a record number of owners added to the WOW group at 10 in 1 month. So 10 new owners joined the WOW group, hitting that milestone of owning 5 or more properties. So congratulations to you. Just thought that was a fantastic number to bring you guys up to speed on, and something that we watch and we're blown away by the owners climbing that ladder, joining the WOW group, making their investment strategies come to life. So congratulations. Last and certainly not least, I touched on this a little bit last week, but wanted to talk about it in depth today. Our business development department, that is the acquisitions department for additional properties to bring under our management. About 9-10 months ago, I think we said that we were ready and willing and able to assist folks that owned properties that they did not purchase through REI Nation, that we would be ready and willing and able to manage those properties. So opened that door 9 or 10 months ago, I believe what it is. Don't quote me on that exact month count there. But to date, we have brought on an additional 164 properties that 73 owners own. So fantastic job there, and we're looking forward to serving you and helping you on the management side. If you have additional properties that you would like for us to manage, please let us know. Contact DeVarte Miller. I gave his number last week. I'll give it again today. But we would love to help you and assist you in that. His phone number, 901-505-0931. So out of those totals, we've got 80 properties from 42 of our current clients. So we already had clients that purchased properties from REI Nation. Once we opened that door and opened that opportunity to them, we had 42 owners that we currently manage some properties for contact us and brought us 80 additional properties. So if you've got one and you need our help, let us know. We're happy to do that. The other side of that are 84 properties from 31 owners. This was some folks that had never done business with REI Nation in the past. So again, happy to assist. Wanted to talk about 3 of those key numbers that we're looking at and talking about on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. Happy to share them with you. If you have questions, let us know. If you have topics that you'd like to discuss, leave them in the comments. We'll be sure to hit those in the coming weeks ahead. So hope you'll have a fantastic week, and we'll see you next time.